Hello, welcome to Carter and Haines, and here is our 2015 Mercedes-Benz E400. It's the AMG line, finished in Obsidian black with the upgraded Napa leather. Really good service history, which is listed on our website, and great condition throughout. Low mileage of just 57,882. That's probably the highest spec E-Class that we've had, and we've sold quite a few of these. Rear camera, memory seats, pan roof, Harman Kardon. It's got pretty much everything. Really nice example. So if you'd like more information or to arrange a test drive, we can arrange finance and we'll take part exchanges. Do give us a call, 01244 570 814. That's 01244 570 814.